is Katrina Garnes, and today we are at the law offices of Attorney Edwards, and today we are delighted to have Attorney Edwards with us.
Thank you. I'm delighted as well.
Okay, tell me about one of the main areas of law, or the main areas of law that you focus on here.
Thank you. Actually, we focus on a couple of areas of law here. We handle personal injury actions, which are primarily auto accidents. We handle criminal convictions as well as real estate transactions and limited family law cases.
Okay, with the auto accident, tell me about the steps that a person should take if they are involved in an auto accident.
Okay, well, I'll give you two steps. First, if someone's involved in an auto accident, the first thing they should do is seek medical attention. Make your way to the emergency room or your primary care physician. The second thing you should do, and probably the most important, is call an attorney, preferably myself.
Okay. So a typical case, how long does a typical case usually last?
Well, each case is going to be dependent on the facts. So normally, I want to say each case is going to be different. Some cases you may settle within 3 to 6 months, but some may linger a little longer. The negotiation process may break down and you have to take the case to trial.
So tell me some things about criminal conviction cases or criminal actions.
Okay. I'll tell you about one that we handle a lot of here in the PD, and that's a DUI case, is driving under the influence. What I find myself telling a lot of people is this: if you've ever been stopped or accused of DUI, driving under the influence, never blow into the breathalyzer and never take the Feild sobriety test. And the reason I say that is because there are three types of actions, types of evidence in a DUI case, and that is the breathalyser results. That is your performance on the Feild sobriety test, which is always recorded from the officer's dash cam, and the officer's report. So if you don't take the breathalyzer test and you do not take the Feild sobriety test, you're limiting the prosecution's case against you.
Interesting. I didn't know that. I'm pretty sure a lot of people watching this didn't know that.
I can't give away too many secrets, but yeah.
Tell me one of the number one questions that people ask you when they come in seeking your services.
The number one question, first off, it would probably depend on the type of case, but I would say the most common and the first question is, how much do you charge? Right.
I want to know how much you charge.
And once again, that's going to be based upon the case.
Right. Okay, so Florence is going through a major redevelopment. I want to know, are you involved with any of the redevelopment, or are you involved with any of the committees, organizations, anything like that?
Yes, and Florence, actually I'm on a few of the committees, and Florence is a rapidly growing area right now. We got a lot of transition, a lot of change in our downtown scene, and I'm excited to be a part of some of those things. Florence is very dear to me as I'm a native of the PD. I'm actually a graduate of Wilson High School, coupled with a graduate of Francis Marion University as well. Now, I went to law school up in Washington, D.C. at David A. Clark School of Law, but I decided to come back down here to Florence, South Carolina.
Right. That is wonderful. So a person seeking your services, can you tell them how to get in contact with you, where your business is located?
Exactly. Our offices are located at 2301 South Irby Street, and anyone who knows Florence, we're right across the street from the Florence Baptist Temple. Now, coupled, you can also look me up online at www.ledwardslaw.com, and you'll find a lot of the same information on our website as well. And you can also call us here at 843-410-9605.
Thank you for joining us today, Attorney Edwards, and we are glad to have you back in this area.
Thank you as well, Ms. Garnes.